Good day, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Animal Welfare Enlightenment Program. I am Dr. Iyasere Oluwaseun, and today I'll continue on the One Welfare Framework. In the last video, I mentioned the 5 key sections of the One Welfare Framework, and today I'll be explaining the first key section, which talks about the connection between animal and human abuse and neglect. Animal abuse and neglect is a societal issue with far-reaching implications. Furthermore, there is emerging evidence to imply a link between animal suffering and human mistreatment. I will explain this using 3 key variables, which are empathy impairment, desensitization, and violent escalation. The first one, empathy impairment. Empathy deficits in humans, as seen in animal abusers, has been related to increased chance of aggression towards people. This interrelationship emphasizes the need for recognizing and resolving animal abuse as a potential signal of the greater societal ills. The concept of empathy is also important in describing the connection between animal and human cruelty. Researchers discovered a link between decreased empathy for animals and a greater aggressiveness towards people. So empathy is very, very important, as people who lack empathy tend to be more abusers of either animals or humans. The second point I would like to talk about is desensitization. Animal cruelty may desensitize people to the pain of their fellow humans, because when the animals is being abused and the people who carry out this abuse tend to not have a feeling for these animals, not seeing that the animals are experiencing pain at this time, they may tend to extend it to humans. There is a strong connection between animal abuse and many other forms of human abuse, such as child abuse, marital abuse, and elder abuse. It's actually a two-way relationship. In families where animal abuse occurs, there is a greater tendency for domestic violence and child abuse. And on the other hand, a higher frequency of animal cruelty is reported among those who actually are involved in domestic violence or partner violence. And the third point I will talk about is violent escalation. According to the violent graduation hypothesis, early animal cruelty allows an individual to learn at first hand about violence, they practice aggression on the available target, which is the animals, and then they become desensitized to the consequences of violent behavior, extending it to fellow human beings. Also, there is what is called the displacement theory, which says that the animal abuse may serve as a means for people to exert authority or dominance over an animal when they are unable to do so on human beings. So I hope you got value from this video, and I hope I've been able to bring the connection between animal abuse and human abuse. And let us begin to see that animal abuse is linked to societal problems such as domestic violence, human abuse, and child abuse. So in the comments, I would like to know your opinion about what extent do you believe that addressing animal abuse and neglect can help prevent human abuse. Thank you so much, and bye for now.